Hello, baby. Are you missing the girls? Natural beauty is the best beauty, baby. All done with a workout. Now, alhamdulillah, I feel really good. I'm eating these little wafers because I'm hungry, and I know that is a really bad decision. But hey, 8 cookies is 150 calories, so I'm good. If anything, right now I'm in the negative. Let's go. Hey you guys, so the girls are back home. I went to go pick them up yesterday. Oh, that is dhuhr. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty outside. Let me just look outside. Oh, it's not that cold out here. Ooh, okay. It's nice outside. I like it. Getting over losing parents, I feel like you guys are gonna hear me talk about a lot. There's things that's inside of my life, there's things that are in my life that I am still emotionally dealing with, like losing my father. Losing a mother at 13 was extremely hard for me, to the point where it's just like, oh my gosh. I feel like I've been through life emotionally, physically, mentally, financially, and it's just like to the point where it's kind of like, my goodness, like I have all this information, all of these cheat codes to life, and I'm just like allowing it to sit in my journal and in my mind. Struggles that we really have to go through without having parents, subhanAllah. But then again, I'm like, girl, I'm like, you have Allah, yeah? I'm like, when you have Allah, you have everything. So no matter what you go through in life, no matter what you lose or who you lose, friends, family, you know, your job, anything that you lose in life, that is just another way of getting close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I find it to be very beautiful. It's like being on my own, completely 100% on my own with my children and somewhat with my sisters. Alhamdulillah, it made me a strong person. And not only just like strong on the outside for my appearance, but strong on the inside. Now my daughter wants me to cut up this watermelon that she's currently beating up. Girl, what are you doing?
Making it yummy.
Making it yummy? All right, let's use this one.
It's really red.
Yeah, it's yummy. Bismillah.
See juice. My little.
Inshallah.
See, look at him.
Where are we going? There's always someone wanting to record me. I've been looking for this. It's crazy.
Who's the best looking one on that picture, Aisha?
Me.
Mama.
Oh no!
So you guys, we ended up coming to Swan. It's a restaurant because I don't feel like cooking tonight. Smells like an actual Chinese restaurant.
Felicia wants Felicia too?
Maybe you're trying it. You're really trying it. Yeah. Trying it. Okay, get in the car. So we're back home, you guys. We're gonna do like one little firecracker.
Look, there's like little things that you light it and it will pop. Can we open
light
it?
and you run back inside.
Ow.
That was really loud.
That was.
We don't want to disturb our neighbors. It is like 6:10 at
Guys, we
night.
get to do this to it.
It's glow sticks. Aisha, what are you doing?
You never said thank you to her?
I did.
You're filling up your gun? Hello and assalamu alaikum, habibis. Good morning. It is the girls' first day of school today. We got this. Let's get out of here. Let's take the girls to school. Inshallah, they'll have a beautiful day at school. Inshallah. Let's go. Kimberly's calling me. Kimberly, I'm vlogging.
Hey, strangers.
Okay, you guys, I will talk to you in a bit. Hey, Kim. So, you guys, I went to Jummah prayer today. It was so amazing. It was my first time, like, in the musalla here. And I met so many Muslim women. SubhanAllah, like, I was not expecting that. All right, you guys, we are back home. Oh, wait, let me show you guys my abaya. Check it out. Mashallah, tabarakallah.
It's the best, guys. You guys should go there. It's the best school in the entire world I ever went to.
Third outfit of the day.
How do you feel about Indian food?
Ooh, the lighting.
That's my wife. Okay, don't be.
Shut up. Are you good, Aisha? You good? You're good? Yeah, let's go, baby.
So where are we?
We are at Urban Kitchen. I think I'm gonna go with the tacos or maybe the gumbo. Also some mac and cheese. Are you hungry, Amara?
Yeah.
You guys, it's super cold out here. Baby, wait, I have to roll up my pants. They're gonna get wet.
They look cold, don't they?
They look cool. Here goes Mama. Drive to.
We are at the Krispy Kreme. We were going to go take the kids to the movies, but it's too late.
Not talking.
My kid is absolutely amazing. Mashallah, tabarakallah. I love you.
Love you too. Mwah. We just made it home. Mama, how was the day?
The day was beautiful, mashallah.
Huge thumbs up and bye.
All right, you guys, come with us to a Mediterranean spot, right? You guys, the food here is absolutely amazing. I loved it. The salmon that Mohammed got was so good. It's so juicy, so much flavor in that. The rice is pretty good. A lot of oil in there. You can taste the oil.
Any of these and customize them at our cookie bar. These are some fan favorites you can also order.
We decided to stop to get the girls some ice cream. All right, you guys, so right now we're at Chuck's Fish and we're gonna go in, eat something. We're gonna get our purple drink. Purple drink is something that is just so amazing. We love it. After you, madam.
It does.